Audi offers the SUV coupe in two output levels that differ in terms of their boost strategy. For example, in purely electric operation, the more powerful variant, the Q8 60 TFSI Quattro, achieves a range of up to 56 km, 34.8 miles, in the NEDC and up to 45 km, 28.0 miles, in the WLTP measuring procedure, which determines to which tax category the vehicle is assigned. The Q8 55 TFSI Quattro achieves an electric range of up to 59 km, 36.7 miles, in the NEDC and up to 47 km, 29.2 miles, in the WLTP. Up to speeds of 135 km per hour, 83.9 miles per hour, their electric motors can generate the drive alone. Electric range of up to 59 km, 36.7 miles, in the NEDC, 47 km, 29.2 miles, in the WLTP cycle, a sporty character, and great everyday usability. Audi is presenting the Q8 with plug-in hybrid drive. The new model closes the last gap in the Q8 range and provides an innovative combination of efficiency and power. The SUV coupe is available in two performance versions. The Q8 55 TFSI Quattro achieves a system output of 280 kilowatts, 381 PS. The Q8 60 TFSI Quattro even achieves a system output of 340 kilowatts, 462 PS. The Q8 60 TFSI Quattro achieves a system output of 340 kilowatts, 462 PS, and a system torque of 700 Nm, 516.3 lb-ft. When both drives deliver their full performance, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in 5.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically governed at 240 km per hour, 149.1 miles per hour. The Q8 55 TFSI Quattro delivers a system output of 280 kilowatts, 381 PS, and 600 Nm, 442.5 lb-ft, of system torque. It sprints to 62.1 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and its top speed is also 240 km per hour, 149.1 miles per hour. Like every plug-in hybrid, the Audi Q8 TFSI Quattro combines the power of two worlds. Its combustion engine, the 3.0 TFSI, outputs 250 kilowatts, 340 PS, and produces 450 Nm, 331.9 lb-ft, of torque. The V6 complies with the latest Euro 6 AP emissions standard. The electric motor is a permanently excited synchronous machine, PSM, with a peak output of 100 kilowatts. The compact electric motor is integrated in the housing of the 8S-PEED Tiptronic. Together with the coupling, which connects the 3.0 TFSI to the drivetrain, it forms what is known as the hybrid module. The lithium-ion battery is installed under the luggage compartment. It contains 104 prismatic cells of the latest generation that are bundled into 13 modules. Each of these cells with flexible outer skin provides an electrical capacity of 48 Ah, and the battery system has an energy capacity of 17.9 kWh.